Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yep. Grab one. Alright. Here, grab. Trick or treat. Wow, nice costume.
Not that. How do I like that? But that was
Go, go, go next. Grab one. Kit Kat. Yeah, it's enough. Hmm?
Thank you. No, we cannot
Here.
go back. Alright guys, so
Daddy.
trick or treat na kami sa neighborhood. Look at Ethan.
Ano ba yan?
May
Lumabas
sipon.
yan.
Go.
Bago yun eh.
We can't go to the public.
That's it. That's enough. Ethan.
Thank you.
Where did we go?
Thank you. That's enough. Yeah, thanks.
What did you get?
Oh, they're cooler. What are they giving? What are
Oh,
they giving?
that's water? Okay.
Oh, water.
Let's
Thank
go.
you. They're giving me water. Yan, ang dami nagtitrick or treat naman. Sila.
Hey, thank you.
Oh no. Oh no. one already?
Okay.
Put them.
No running.
Dapat panoramic mo siya kinuha pag ganyan.
Oh no.
It's right there. Oh, there's a lot of them. Right here. Come on.
This way.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Thank you. Oh, the other there. The other phone. Oh, just grab one. Watch out, watch out.
Here's your candy bag. Here.
Get it.
Grab one.
Okay. Oh, there's a lot of pumpkins. Oh, there's a lot of kids now. Shut up. Drenage sila dito sa neighborhood. Look at that, guys. Drenage sila dito sa neighborhood para mag trick or treat. Ethan, do you need to warm up a little bit again? Then we can go out?
Uh-oh, there's a car.
Here, here. Let's go over here.
Nakasakay yan eh.
I know. Oh, look at the water. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay. Trick or treat.
You're welcome.
Happy
Have a good night.
Halloween. Thank you.
You're welcome. I love it.
Wow. Yeah, I know. It's so pretty. Oh, let's go this one. Let's go right back Brentford. This one. Here. Chewbacca.
Hey, no pictures.
Okay. Uh-oh, it's another one.
Wait, is that Squid Game?
Oh,
no.
oh no.
That's what we should have done.
Scary. Trick or treat. Hello. Thank you. Trick or treat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it? Okay.
That's it, huh?
Yeah,
thank you.
there's a pumpkin.
Okay.
Like your own costume though. It's warm.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, get there. Stop Halloween.
Yeah.
Oh, this one is so pretty. Okay. Come on. Wow. Wow, they do have a creepy creeper.
Oh yeah.
Happy Halloween! Trick or treat!
Get some extra ones.
Thank you!
Yeah, you guys have a wonderful Halloween. Careful, I know.
Okay, let's go.
Wow, see that? They do have the decorations. Like it.
Whoa, it's not cool.
Nandun sila sa neighborhood natin.
Huh, there's it. Daddy, there it is.
Oh, there's a ghost, okay? Ang ganda ng mga costume na lang. Ay, di pala costume to. Mga ano pala to? Mga male. Ang dami pa. there's a pumpkin right there. Oh, there. Here. Here, you can open this. That. Nice curving. That one too. Thank you.
Daddy.
Ah. Huh?
Oh, we're Daddy.
Yeah, trick or treat.
Oh. Oh, pumpkin over there.
It's right there.
Whoa, go, pumpkin.
Okay. Grab a candy. Which one do you want?
This.
Oh, that one and the Oreo. Okay. Oh, they're warming up. Wanna go there? Okay. Trick or treat. Oh, feel good. Thank you. Oh, let's go the other way. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Right here. Here. It's right here. It's right here. The candy's right here. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, trick or treat. Grab one more candy. Yeah, here. Yeah, right there. Just grab one, baby. Grab one. That's it. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay. Hurry up, baby. Hurry. Hi. Hello. Hi. Take a picture inside.
Okay.
Ooh. Scary bones. Skeleton. Ooh. Wow.
Crazy.
I know. Trick or treat. Thank you.
Thank you, God.
I know. Okay, take a picture right there. Go. Stand. Just stand up. Thank you. Here. Here, baby, stand right here. Come on. Come on. It's right here. Ako na lang.
1, 2. Oh. Ida, let's go.
Trick or treat. Go along. Come on. Let's go.
A, B, C, D.
We do have a pumpkin and spider. Trick or treat. The white one.
1, 2. Ida, let's go.
That's it. That's it. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Thank you.
Have a good one.
It's right in there.
I know. Just say thank you, okay? Okay. Trick or treat. Thank you.
Yeah.
I know. Wanna take a picture? Huh? Wanna take a picture? Huh? Trick or treat. Thank you. Thanks.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's okay.
Huh?
Yep, you can have it.
Oh,
Sorry. Oh.
you poke his
I
in mouth?
know. That's a big one. Ooh, I like the costume. Right there? Lahat naman ng may ilaw. Oh, do they have one? Meron ba sila? Saan ang the window? Right there. Having with trick-or-treaters. Fun. Let's eat and pauwi na malamig na. Madami pa din. Right here. Here. You can go right this way. Okay. Say trick or treat, baby. Go. Come here. Move back. Move back, baby. Trick or treat.
You want the chocolate or gummy?
Chocolate?
Chocolate? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Trick or treat.
Bye.
Bye.
How much do you have? Do you have full now?
Other way. Other way.
We're done with the house. Over
Here.
there.
Tama na.
Just grab one right there.
Huh?
Come on. There you go. Hey. Trick or treat. Grab one. Yep, take one. That's it. Thank you. Ah. So ayan guys, ang lamig-lamigan dito pa rin kami sa lansangan, nagsi-trick or treat. Ang dami pa rin nag-drive ng mga parents, ng mga bata. Dami-dami pa rin nila. Yan, lakad lang kami. Malapit nang mapuno yung bucket ni Ethan. Mamaya, uwi na kami. Alright, so happy Halloween guys, trick or treat! Ayan, papasok na tayo sa neighborhood. Dinadrive nila yung mga anak nila. Para neighborhood. Ang tao. sasakyan nila nandito tayo. Dito na tayo. Okay, so ayun guys, tapos na kami mag-trick or treat. Ang dami na nakuha ng na candy. So right now, umuwi na kami. Thank you! Happy Halloween trick or treat! Thank you for watching! Happy Halloween! Bye!
See you.
1, 2, 3, baby!
Trick or treat.
Is that what you got? Wow! Ayan guys, ang dami nang na-collect na isang bucket. Isang round lang kami kasi ang dami niya. Sinisipon na siya. Tsaka pawis na pawis siya. Oh. Ayan, daming chocolate. Ethan, can I have one, baby? Wow, that's a lot of chocolate.
Oh, this is serious.
I know.
This is rice.
Play-Doh.
You got that one? Are you playing with that?
It's a poodle.
Play-Doh. Halos na po niyo yung bucket niya.
I'll tell you the first time.
Did you enjoy it, baby?
I'll give you the color.
Oh, you don't like this? This is your baon.
No,
Oh, you don't like toys? No cars for now? Just chocolate? Okay. Okay. Oh, you put it in your dump truck.
oh, I'm gonna get the boy truck.
Ethan, say cheese. One more. Say cheese.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Ayaw na niya. Happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Thank you! Bye-bye!